Well, I think there are many obstacles, and they are technical obstacles, but there are also regulatory and ethical obstacles. And I think that Harmony has done a great job already in overcoming some of these obstacles by designing a data infrastructure in which you can not only from a technical but also from a regulatory and ethical perspective bring these data together in a responsible way. So a lot of work has been done on that aspect, but still there are obstacles to overcome. And as you see, the groundwork has been basically done, but we can contribute, I think, more even in the future by not only discussing about how we are going to bring these data together and share the data, but also promote the most valuable use of the data that are collected and brought together in the Harmony projects.